What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your Metamask wallet to BullX. Also, before you get started, if you want to create a new BullX account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount, you can use my sign up link from the description below. So let's get started. Now, once you open up your BullX account, you will be on this page right here, your home page. From here, to connect a wallet, you need to hover over the left-hand side menu. Now on this little menu, you need to select Wallet Manager right here, the last option. Once your Wallet Manager loads up, you will need to log in into your Metamask wallet. Now when you're logged in into your wallet, you can exit it and click this Add New Wallet icon right here. Here you need to select the network of the wallet, so either Solana or Ethereum virtual machine. So I will leave it as EVM and I will call this wallet Metamask. Now here you need to enter the wallet public address. So you get this by going to your wallet and copying this OX address right here, just by clicking on it. Then you can exit Metamask and paste over that copied address right here. Now simply click Add Wallet. And now your new wallet is added. So it goes through 3 hours pending period, and if you don't want to connect this wallet, you can stop the pending period in your Telegram app. But after 3 hours, this wallet will be connected to BullX. And again, if you want to create a new BullX account and get 10% lifetime trading discounts, I will leave my partner link in the description below. And that's how you can connect your Ethereum Metamask wallet to BullX. Thank you for watching.